I want to achieve a coil on this weavon, and I'll be using a thread to achieve this coil. If you want to see how using a thread will look on a human hair weavon, we shall stick to this video and watch it to the end and see how it will look like. First thing I'm using is my leave-in conditioner on water to spray on the wig. Already the wig is looking rough, so I want to detangle the wig before any other thing. Shout out to my subscribers, shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you guys for always being part of this family. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, hello, you're welcome. Feel free to be part of the family by hitting on the subscription button and hit on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. I'll be using a thread for this method. With the thread, find a comfortable position on the head that you want the coils to appear, then secure it with the thread. So I secure mine with a thread, then go ahead to loose the thread and tie the thread on the hair loosely. I'm not going to tight it so that you achieve the coils that you want. This is a popular coil that we do on normal braids. In Africa, here in Africa, we normally do it on attachment extension. But what I want to do is to do it on a human hair wig. Let's see how it will look like. So once I'm done tying it, I'm going to drag it. This is a common method. Drag it and tight it. Secure a knot at the extreme of the hair. Once I'm done, I'm gonna put hot water on it. After I'm done with the hot water, I'm going to allow this to dry properly. I practically left mine for the next day, so I left it for some hours, and next is to loose out the coils. So I wanna see how it turned out, so I'm gonna loose out the coils. I think if I had used this thread method on fiber hair, the coils will maintain, the coils will remain tight. I'm assuming, because if we use attachment, if we use the thread on attachment, the coils is a kind of stretchy, unlike this one that is looking straight. So what I did is to detangle the coils. Like I said, I left these coils to dry out before losing out the thread, and this is it. It looks stretched. It doesn't look like that kind of attachment on. So this is how it looks like. It still looks nice. Tell me what you think about this thread method on this. This is how it looks. And if you want the whole hair to have the coils, you can start at the end and move the coils down to the tips to achieve the coils that looks on the whole hair. So this is how it looks like. Tell me what you think, and if you are coming across this channel for the first time, subscribe and be part of this family. See you in my next video. Bye.